Okay, so right here I have this double barrel toy shotgun for kids. This thing is really cool and I want to show you a little bit about it. So on the tip here, we're going to have an orange barrel. So it's definitely going to show that this is a toy gun. We're going to have a nice handle here with the grip, and I love the way that the blue looks on here. And we also have this scope up top, and as you can see, you can actually see through it, and there's like a little crosshair. You can slide this on and tighten it, and you can actually use that scope to aim. And I was finding out that it was actually pretty accurate when you look through the scope because it is clear. It was like drifting a little bit to like the left maybe, but I could probably adjust this to where it was pretty accurate based on how it was shooting. We also are gonna have an orange little lever. It kind of feels like the stock is kind of weighted, so there is a little bit of good weight to it. It feels pretty balanced in your hand. Gonna be really nice for a kid, and you're also gonna get like a nice little logo. So a child is absolutely gonna love this. This will make a great gift for sure. Now on the top here, you're gonna have a little lever, so you just press that and you push it down all the way until it clicks, and then once it clicks, it is now like kind of in limp mode. So then you can just load it up. So right here, you're gonna get two different sets of darts. One's gonna be a suction cup, which is really nice because I have a glass sliding door in my house, and it's just so fun to shoot that because it sticks to it every single time. The other side is gonna be a nice like spongy EVA material on here that's gonna be kind of just like a dart. So you can use it like target practice. You can maybe just put like a couple tin cans or something that you can aim for, but it actually is pretty accurate. So it would be fun to use this for target practice. Now, like I said, whenever you open this up, you are just gonna put these darts in here and you're just gonna put them right there. It doesn't matter if you push them in a little bit further, but just like flush is fine. Put the other one in, it's not too hard. And then this is what the other side is gonna look like. And then you're just gonna close it in like that. And from here, you will be able to press the trigger and shoot it. So I'm gonna demonstrate this. And these suction cups stick to the glass really well. Overall, a child would absolutely go crazy and love this. This would make an absolute great gift, whether it be birthday, Christmas, or if you're dressing up for Halloween and you need a shotgun, maybe your child is gonna dress up as a hunter. This would be perfect for the completion of that costume. Very high quality. This thing is a ton of fun. I highly recommend it. Go and check it out for yourself. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.